I started teaching 7 years ago, and I started with Teach for America in the Richmond School District. And I taught there for 2 years in a special education class for kindergarten and first grade students with mild to moderate disabilities. And then I ended up moving over and working in Oakland for another 4 years. So I taught for a total of 6 years, all in the lower elementary setting and all with kids with mild to moderate disabilities. Kids with special needs, even if their struggle is language delays or something that may not even seem like it relates to math, they still need tons of practice and multiple types of practice to really cement an idea. And math moves really quickly in the classroom, especially as the standards change. A lot is expected of these kids, and when they're coming in with little to no math knowledge in kindergarten, they're already behind their peers. So there's not a ton of research or information readily available about teaching students with developmental delays. So it's something you have to look for on your own. And so I did a lot of that as a classroom teacher, and I brought that experience to working with locomotive labs and building games that were accessible for all students. So many different ways to teach one concept. So for teaching addition, we start at like the very basic level of just pictures or just doing a story, and kids might not even realize they're doing addition, to moving towards kind of more rote practice with just equations and no picture representations. So going the whole gamut instead of just here's one way to teach addition and that's it, and then we're going to move on to subtraction. So having a lot of different ways to teach one concept is really key, I think, for teaching kids with a lot of different needs.